Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to replace the little wire in the filter pocket. So this is what you're going to do. Let's do this first and then I'll show you how to create a new one if you run out of replacements. So the first thing you need to do is you need to identify where this hole is, right? So this is the front of the mask. This is the part that goes on the front. So let's turn it around. So this is the inside of the mask, and if you kind of look for the little nose wire pocket, it's here, right? And this is the filter pocket, so just open the filter pocket all the way in and kind of stick your thumb up on this little corner here, so when you turn it around you can find your little opening, and you'll see that I have it inserted here already, but yeah, this is all you need to do. Just find that little hole and just be sure when you're inserting it that it is in the proper place, because you don't want to tear the mask or anything. And you know, just keep pushing it in until it's all the way in, and then it's going to serve as your nose wire. So the reason that I use pipe cleaners is because I feel it's the material that's most comfortable for you to wear and have resting on your nose. So if for any reason you cannot find if you run out, if you run out of the ones that you have included in your mask and you want to make some more, that's totally fine. Just buy pipe cleaners and cut them in half. So this is half of a pipe cleaner, right? And with your hands, all you got to do is just twist this little side in just so it doesn't poke you. And then again, you know, you see how I grab my nail here and twist a little bit on the other side, and then again, right? And then you want to kind of measure to see how long your pocket is, and you want to bend the sides in a little bit on one side. And if I do this again here, you want to do it here again, right? So once you insert this in there, voila, that's all you need. It's just gonna hold shape. And be sure to take it off out of the mask before you're gonna wash it. And I include a few of them just so that you can leave them out and use new ones. But you know, you'll have to follow the CDC guidelines on how to how long this thing stays on fabric and stuff, and do take into account that there's a little wire inside. And where to find pipe cleaners? Well, you've got craft stores that I think are still selling online, Dollar Tree, and I know the dollar stores are open because they are selling food. So you can also get extras at a dollar store. And the other thing that you might have in hand is you could use any wire that you have at home. I just feel this is more comfortable, but any wire will do. A twist tie from a bag, but always be sure to fold in the little tippy ends, and then do more folding if you need to get it to sizing, because you don't want these ends poking. They can poke your face and they can poke a hole in the fabric, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a mask. Okay, so I hope this helped, and this helped you, and stay safe.